How you guys doing? I'm a Christmas professional just like you. And at the end of the holiday season, one thing that I hate most is storing my lights. It's so difficult. I want to introduce you to a new product called Speedwrapper. Speedwrapper is a multi-strand Christmas light wrapping kit that comes with 5 flexible light rolling tubes and 60 of our patented 3-strand adapters. The light rolling tubes allow you to not only wrap 3 strands at once, but they allow you to store 3 strands at once. Once you take the time to set up your light rolling tubes, it's going to look something like this, right? The strands easily come off the tubes as you're wrapping or as you're unwrapping, and allows you to also store them easily. Here at this professional Christmas light wrapping shop, they store all their Christmas lights in tubs, and within their tubs, again, you'll find these flexible tubes. What makes them so unique is they're extremely flexible, but they're extremely strong. And they not only protect your lights, but again, make it extremely easy to wrap your trees. If you come in here closer, you'll see not only the Speedwrapper brand, but it's strong, it's durable, it's hard plastic. The 3-strand adapter fits in there perfectly. So no longer will you have a mess with your Christmas lights, no longer will it be troublesome to store when the year is over. Easily wrap them up and put them back into storage, and they'll be waiting for you next Christmas. You know, if you're interested in picking up the Speedwrapper wrapping kit, again, you can get 5 light rollers and 60 of our 3-strand adapters. Head on over to speedwarpper.com. You can wrap 3 strands faster. You can store faster. You can protect and keep your lights ready for the Christmas season with Speedwrapper. If you'd like to learn more about Speedwrapper, you can go onto our website, or you can check out some of the other videos we have listed on our YouTube channel. Thanks.